So as you're scaling a winning product, the best way to make more money by doing nothing at all, like you don't have to, it's not by tweaking the ads, you don't have to go ahead and use some cool scaling strategy, is reducing your cost of goods. Everyone forgets this. Everyone forgets that they can make an extra 10 to 20% just by reducing their cost of goods by 10 to 20%. That's something that no one's doing. Everyone's trying to optimize their Facebook ads, scale it, try to reduce the cost of purchase, but that's something you can't control. The best way to actually make more money is go ahead and reach out to your supplier, let them know and be like, hey, I'm giving you a lot of orders. If you guys want my business, you gotta lower the cost of goods, or else I'm gonna go to a different supplier. That's the way to make more money, by really reducing your expenses on the back end. That's how you increase your profit margins, and this is something that gurus don't talk about. They're all focused on trying to get lower cost of purchases, but Facebook is definitely something you can't control. It goes up and down, but the cost of goods and your expenses are definitely something you can control. So that's exactly what we'll be talking about in today's video. Here's the video. Also, I wanted to say that you also want to try really reduce your cost of goods. That's really important.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
So try to find, other suppliers that are able to
produce for less cost.
Exactly. So on AliExpress, there's a bunch of suppliers selling the same items, and you could even message different suppliers telling them that, hey, I'm getting X amount of orders every single day. Can you please offer me a better price than my current supplier? Or you talk to your current supplier like, hey, I know don't even say I know you're the best price in the market. Just say, hey, I've been ordering 14 units from you over the past week. I'm going to get more sales. Would you be able to decrease the cost of the item for me and give me maybe a private link to go ahead and purchase this item directly from you? As you can see, pretty straightforward. That's the whole strategy on how you go ahead and get suppliers to bid against each other, and then they'll try to get a lower price, then you go ahead and just work with the cheapest supplier. And obviously the next step is to go ahead and get your own agent for your store, and I already have a bunch of videos on that. My editor's going to pop it up here, and that's videos on how to work with agents, how to find agents, etc. And my editor will also link in the description below. You got that, Sven? Link those videos, and you just search agent on my channel, find those links, put in the description, help out the YouTube audience. And yeah, that's today's video. Before we end it, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, a consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, question of the day: how much cheaper have you been able to negotiate your cost of goods? I've been able to get something that was, say, $8 and down to like $6.50. That was pretty good because I chipped off roughly 20% off my cost of goods, and that saved me $1,000, literally. Let's say if you're doing a few $100,000, saving 20% on cost of goods would literally add up to $1,000. So that's super important. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and effort that you're putting into my channel. I just want to say thank you. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with nothing but more value.